Okay, good morning. For those of us that want to activate our ussd code for UBA Bank using your ATM card, if you want to activate it, you need to activate it with your ATM, with your UBA ATM card using the code *919#. For those of us that want to be transferring from your phone, want to be doing transfers from your phone, you want to check balance, you want to buy airtime, you want to do a lot of things from your phone, you can activate this code on your phone. Let's go. Watch as I do it. *919. I'm going to press *919 for activation. Just follow the process. *919 *0#. *919 *0#. I send. On the line that I'm using to receive alert from my bank, I see what is displaying there. I accept. Okay, this is a network problem. You try again till it goes through. *919 *0#. Use the line that you use to receive. You open the account, the phone number you use to open the account, or where you normally receive alert from that bank. You use the line. If it's MTN you used, you put MTN. If it's Glo you used when you open the account, you use it. Okay, you show me service timeout. Let's try again. *919 *0#. I send. Okay, as if it's taking time here. Network. Let me move out. Let me try again. Accept. You see sign up. Press 1 to sign up. Account with PIN. You press select with account with PIN. If it's prepaid card you're using, you select prepaid card with PIN. So I'm going to put account with PIN, just normal account. Send. You ask me for my 10-digit number, account number. I'll put it. I'm putting my. Use an example. Ask me for my 4-digit PIN. I'm putting mine. I'll send it. The last 4 digits on my ATM card, I put it. It will ask you for referral ID, which is optional. You press 1 to skip, and you are seeing it. This is the last stage. That means its activation has worked. So you press 0 for main. When I press this 0 for main, it's going to display. It is going to display everything there for us to see. As you can see, our ussd code has been activated. As simple as that. So this is the menu. So when this is the last stage for the activation, that means you have successfully activated it. So this is the menu. This is what it's going to show. So what you do now, you can press any of the option here. You can press 1, you can press 2, you can press 3 to transfer 4 other banks. Number 7, check balance, and can send. So when you do that, if you cancel it, if you want to start afresh, you don't need to press *919 *0# again. What you need to press is *919#. When you press it, this menu will just appear, because the *919 *0# was for the activation. So after activation, successful activation, When the menu appears like this, that means you have successfully activated it. So when you cancel it and you want to log in again, let's say for instance you want to do some transfers or you want to check your balance, you just press *919#. Thank you.